Hello friends, today I'll be sharing the picture of a beautiful bird having striking black and white plumage. It is one of those birds which migrates all the way from Africa to India. Yes, I'm referring to Jacobin cuckoo, which is also called as pied cuckoo because of its plumage. During its migration from Africa, this bird covers thousands of kilometers across Indian Ocean to reach here. And what makes this bird so unique is its association with the Indian monsoon season, because of which this bird is also popular as a rain bird in many parts of India. And why they call it as a rain bird is because they believe that the arrival and the stay of this bird in the area is a natural indicator that they will have a rainfall soon and the monsoon season will be good ahead. So please do take a look at the image and enjoy the beauty of the Mother Nature.